Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel BBnana Cooks. Today I'm going to show you how I cook my fried chicken, which is very easy to make, and this is how I make it. First, you're gonna need a whole chicken that's been cut into pieces, some bell peppers, garlic, paprika, soy sauce, Dijon, water, salt, pepper, unsweetened corn flakes, all-purpose flour, and eggs. In here I'm making incision into each pieces of chicken. The reason is that I want to season the chicken all the way deep to the bones. In this manual food processor, you're going to add your bell peppers, garlic, paprika, salt and pepper, and mash them all up. Now stuff each pieces of chicken with the garlic mixture. Go deep as possible and make sure each incision is filled with seasoning. If you have leftover stuffing, use it on top of the chicken and mix it well. Add some Dijon mustard, soy sauce, and put everything in the pot with a little bit of water. Cook it for about 20 minutes at a low heat. Meanwhile, you can start the coating for the chicken. Here I'm mashing the cornflakes. The chicken was removed from the pot and cooled down completely. Start with a piece of chicken at a time. Coat it with flour first, then eggs second, and flour again, eggs again, and last coat it with some cornflakes. Repeat for each pieces of chicken. Now you can start frying them. The oil is very hot. Fry them for about 7 to 10 minutes on each side. And this is what it looks like once it's plated. The chicken has this beautiful golden color. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more great recipes. Bye!